Acid rain: causes, effects, and remedies for students. Acid rain is a serious environmental issue caused by the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere, mainly from the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These gases react with water vapor in the air to form sulfuric and nitric acids, which fall as rain, sleet, snow, or fog. Causes: burning fossil fuels. Coal-fired power plants are major contributors, with cars and trucks also playing a role. Industrial processes, metal smelting and other industrial activities release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Natural sources, volcanoes and lightning can also produce these gases, but human activities are the primary cause of widespread acid rain. Effects: damage to ecosystems. Acid rain harms trees, plants, and aquatic life. It weakens trees, leaches nutrients from the soil, and acidifies lakes and rivers, killing fish and other organisms. Corrosion of materials. Acid rain can damage buildings, statues, and other structures made of stone, metal, and concrete. Human health impacts. While not directly harmful to humans in moderate amounts, acid rain can contribute to respiratory problems and worsen air quality. Remedies: reduce emissions. This is the most important step. Governments can regulate emissions from power plants and industries, and encourage cleaner technologies like renewable energy. Use clean energy sources. Solar, wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric power produce electricity without emitting sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Conserve energy. Reduce your reliance on fossil fuels by using energy-efficient appliances and vehicles, and walking, biking, or taking public transportation. Raise awareness. Talk to your friends and family about acid rain and how they can help reduce it. As students, you can play a crucial role in addressing acid rain. Learn more, educate yourself about the causes and effects of acid rain, and share your knowledge with others. Make responsible choices. Choose products and services that are mindful of the environment, and reduce your personal carbon footprint. Advocate for change. Talk to your teachers, government officials, and community leaders about policies that can reduce air pollution and promote clean energy. Participate in projects. Get involved in school or community projects that raise awareness about acid rain and promote environmental sustainability. Remember, even small actions can make a difference. By working together, we can reduce acid rain and protect our planet for future generations. bhavyasriacademy.in
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna